How to edit header in Shopify. So first, go to your Shopify admin dashboard here, and then just click on Online Store. After that, just click on Customize, and just click on Header here. And as you can see, now you're on your header page here. Then if you want to edit your header, you can either use these ones to add a block or add a section. And then if you want to change these guys here, for now their position is middle left. If I want to change that to middle center, then yep, now it's changed. If you want to add it to top left, so you can see it's as simple as that. So just customize the settings here however you want, and after that just click on save, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.